Who did this mess? Who did this? Cody, did you make this mess? Murphy, did you make this mess? Maggie, did you make this mess? Somebody made it. Who made it? Who made this mess?
Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny, you pooped in the kitchen?
Buffy, did you? Buffy, sit down. Sit down, Buffy. Sit down, I want to talk to you. Look at me. Buffy, sit down. Sit down. Did you eat? Look at the garbage. There's a pizza box over there. Did you dig in the garbage again? Look at me, Buffy. Look at me. Did you? Huh? No, sit down. I want to talk to you. Sit down. Did you eat the pizza box? You did. You did eat the pizza box. Who gave you permission to eat the pizza box? Look at it. Look over there. That was you? Oh, come here, Buffy. Come here, baby. Yeah. Don't eat that again. Now, if I catch you, sit down. Sit down. If I catch you eating the pizza box, you're gonna, no, sit down. You're gonna get in trouble, okay? I don't want you eating the pizza box, okay?
I wonder who did this. Gus? Did you do it? Lexi. What did you do? Huh? Bad.
Show me those teeth. Show me those teeth. Show me. Let me see those teeth. Let me see your teeth. Smile. Look at those teeth. Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth.
Go on. Did you do this? No? Did you do this? Go on. Come here. Come here. Shh, shh. Sit down. What's that? Shut. Stay. What's that? What's this? Oh man. What's this? Shh. Back up. Don't try to give me kisses. What's that? What's that going? Go on. What's that? Go on. What's that? Go on. What's this? Go on, come here. Did you do this? Did you do this, go on? What's this? Go on. Did you do this? Go on. Go on. Did you do this? No? Did you do this? Go on. What is this? Go on. Hey, go on. What's this? Look at me. What's this? Go on.